Automated weather observation 2124 Zulu. Wind 210 at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 35 Celsius. Dew point 20 Celsius. Altimeter 3007. Remarks. Density altitude 3000.
This is talking to this though,
yep.
not this.
No, not that. That right there.
So half left is...
Right there. That line is halfway to the left. You can see the arrows right there, so left is that way.
Okay. There's no flag. Okay, so half up is
right there.
This right here. Okay, got it. No flag. 2.
That arrow right there is pointing in the same direction as the arrow.
Okay, so that's 2.
Foothills traffic, Flexer 419, we're at Legacy 450, 13 miles to the south on
The OBS is on 150, which it is, and the desired track right here is 150, it's saying 150. So hit continue.
The OBS is this right here.
But it's not talking to that. It's this right here is.
And Foothills
where's OBS 150 here?
So right there, you see it's 120, and it's on 150. Okay.
And Monroe traffic 072 Juliet Romeo, the 10 mile final practice aisle is 5, low approach only Monroe.
Right down there, direct to activate. Alright.
Alright, so Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima, radio check please.
Loud and clear.
Thank you.
Alright, altimeter set, we'll check the instruments as we taxi.
And Monroe Unicom, 8081 Lima, radio check. Loud and clear. Thank you.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is taxiing from the tie downs to the run-up area for runway 23, Monroe.
The vernier part of it is just like when you're wanting to do like a fine adjustment.
Alright, these brakes are good. You check yours?
Yep. Alright.
Alright, so run up, fuel's on both. Flight controls. That goes up, that goes down, that goes up, that goes down. Elevator up, and elevator down. Rudder pedals. Flaps are set to 0, and trim is set for takeoff. Instrument airspeed is indicating 0. Attitude indicator looks right. This is set right. Vertical speed shows about 100 feet. Turn coordinator looks right. And 3007.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 7, Mike, taxi from the tie downs to the washer deck, Monroe.
Alright. Make sure it's full rich. 1700.
Look right there, it's got RPMs on that.
Oh, okay. Alright, mags, 2 clicks to the left.
Alright, back to both.
Back to both. 1 click to the left. That looks right, back to both. Carb heat on. That looks right, carb heat roll. And where did I find oil pressure?
Oil temperature is right there is 147. Oil pressure is 42. All right. Fuel flow, carb heat. So if it's in the yellow, that's when you got danger for carb ice, and this is your fuel quantity, left tank, right tank.
Runway 23 remain in the pattern.
Right.
Okay. Suction, there's no suction
need
because we've got
suction.
electric instruments and the amp meter, that'd be this, right? If it's...
Yeah, we'd have that. It says in op, but right here's our volts and amps. So if we run this, see, watch. So our amps went up to 9 when we ran the flaps. All right.
Okay. Pull the power to idle.
All right, let's go ahead and go. So
Okay, and there's no friction lock because it's Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is taxiing from the tie down from the run up area to runway 23 Monroe. Okay. Pattern looks clear. Which way was the wind was?
Wind straight down the runway.
Straight down the runway.
All right,
okay.
good job checking it though.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is departing runway 23, staying in the pattern. Monroe.
Monroe traffic 808, when left cross on runway 23, Monroe.
All right.
Was that, did he say crosswind?
Yeah, crosswind, he's down there. He just took off.
Two-three on the runway, 23 on the compass, and 23 on the heading indicator.
Monroe traffic 808, when downwind runway 23, Monroe.
Camera, action.
Okay, here we go.
And remember, when you go to rotate, you want to have, just pull back just enough to a little bit of right rudder and keep us on center line, okay? Alright, and that one right there is in knots, so go ahead, right there, hold that. There you go, lower the nose some. You hear the stall horn wanting to buzz, lower the nose. There you go. Not too much, just put the top of the dash on the horizon. Alright. The right rudder, left aileron. Feel us going to the right? Yep. Okay, so let's level the wings, okay? Got right aileron in there. Alright? You're trying to correct for the left turning tendency of the airplane using ailerons instead of the rudder like you should. So, left aileron, quit steering to the right. You keep putting in right aileron. So get us back on center line. We need to go that way, okay? Alright? So, right here. So you have to have a little bit of right rudder and a little bit of left aileron, okay? See how now the plane is not turning? So you feel how you got a little bit of left aileron, just a touch to keep the wings level, and then right rudder to keep the plane coordinated.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left crosswind 23, Monroe.
Alright. Good job looking outside the airplane. Good job maintaining our airspeed. So 71 right here, that's in knots, so that's what our best rate is in knots. Okay, keep turning, looking out to the right for any traffic coming out, entering on a long downwind maybe. All right, and wings level. Right rudder, right, look out there at the airport. All right, looks like we're pretty square. All right, we'll go ahead and turn downwind.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left downwind 2423, Monroe.
All right. And remember, we don't need a whole lot of bank whenever we're climbing and we're slow, okay? Keep turning. All right, good job. We're coordinated, so that's excellent. We're approaching our traffic pattern altitude, so you can go ahead and lower the nose a little bit. All right, there you go. All right. So,
Monroe traffic 0782, Juliet Romeo's 10 mile final, right. Practice RNAV
there you go.
23,
Go ahead and bring your power back. All right, a little bit more. There you go. That's good. Trim it. There you go. Not too much. All right. See how it's wanting to go down now? There you go. Probably right there. All right, go ahead and do your before landing check.
Seat belts, fuel's on both. Mixture is full rich and landing lights
Look
are
out
on.
in the front, you're climbing. All right,
No traffic anyway,
don't make super drastic
taxiing to runway 23.
control inputs, okay? Just be smooth, all right? Just like this, look, see? Smooth, all right? I'm not going from this to this, all right? Just smooth, all right? All right. Wings level, you're favoring that right aileron again. We got traffic coming in on final somewhere. All right, he's way out there. All right, wings level, go ahead and get your car, Pete. All right, let's go ahead and get our power back. Hold the nose up, don't let it, wings level. Look outside the airplane. All right, we're in the white arc, go ahead and get you some flaps.
1,000, 1,000.
All right, bring the power back a little bit more. Don't keep climbing. All right, we want to be at 80 right there or 70, right? So let's go ahead and turn base.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23, Monroe.
Keep turning, keep turning. Aileron in there. So you're pushing a bunch of rudder trying to make it turn, and that's why the ball was sliding out to the right. Keep turning. All right, wings level. All right, go ahead and get you some more flaps. And you need to use
1,000, 1,000.
rudder whenever you turn. You're not using any rudder. All right. Check final right. All right, let's go ahead and turn final.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is final, runway 23, Monroe.
All right, looking good.
Runway 23, Monroe.
All right. Wings level. All right, not just smooth, okay? Just smooth, not all at once. And remember to use the rudder. See how little I'm using ailerons to do what I need to do?
1,000, 1,000.
All right, go ahead and get your power back because we're high. All right.
Ready to calm, 997, radio check.
Starting, sir.
Thanks.
Watch your airspeed. We want to be at about 5 on short final. All right, keep coming down, aiming for the 2-3, all right? Keep coming down, add a little bit of power back. There you go.
Monroe traffic 072 JLR is 5 mile final practice on F23 for the upwind in the pattern, Monroe.
Alright, keep coming down, bring the nose up gradually, not too much, more. Power back idle, back all the way in the yoke.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 997, taxiing from parking to run up runway 23, Monroe.
Right there, hold it. Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima, touch and go runway 23, stay in the pattern, Monroe. Alright, so whenever you pull back, you just pulled back. I know I said pull back all the way, but not, I mean, you right rudder and left aileron, okay? Right rudder and left aileron. Well, you see how we floated up it like balloon?
Yeah.
It's because we had a little bit too much speed because you still had the power in whenever you rounded out. So before you get to where you want to round out and flare in this plane, you need to get power back to idle, okay? Unless you're real slow or something like that. All right? Right rudder, left aileron. Right rudder, left aileron. So the reason that you're doing that is because you got to have right rudder to keep the plane coordinated. And that's going to make the plane want to turn to the right, okay? So, and make the plane want to bank to the right. So you got to have a little bit of left aileron to keep the plane on heading, okay? All right.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left crosswind, runway 23.
Monroe traffic, 072
Just going down.
Sidestepping for the upwind for 23 in the pattern.
Don't push down. Don't chase it, okay? Just push it down a little bit and see what happens, okay? Just don't chase stuff. Just because I'm telling you that you need to fix something doesn't mean that you have to fix it immediately. right now. Just make a slight change in the other direction, okay? Alright, wings level, right rudder. You didn't use any right rudder. Alright, so ailerons and rudder together. Alright.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left downwind, runway 23. Monroe.
Block.
Monroe traffic,
Mike, flying runway 23, Monroe.
Alright, we're coming up on 1700. Go ahead and start lowering the nose as we finish the turn. Right rudder, right aileron. There you go. Alright. Level. A little bit of left aileron. Wings level.
Monroe traffic,
Alright,
072, Juliet Romeo.
bring the power back some.
Upwind for 23, I have 81 Lima in sight, will extend for spacing, Monroe.
A1, 801 Lima, contact runway 23, Monroe,
Let's go down too much. Alright, go ahead and do your before landing checklist.
seat belts, fuel's on both, mixture's rich, wait on the carbine, landing lights are on.
Alright, did you call downwind?
I did, yep.
Okay. Just go ahead and give another call, left midfield downwind, runway 23.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is mid left downwind, runway 23. Monroe.
Alright, wings level. Let's go and get our car feet. Alright. Pull your power back.
Traffic 072, Juliet Romeo is high left crosswind for 23, and Mike, we got you in sight.
Wings level. Alright, go ahead and get your flaps.
1000, 1000.
You gotta quit your...
John, you have us in sight as well.
Alright, let it come down at 70. You gotta stop. You keep putting in right aileron, okay? Trim it for 70, okay? So, nose up. Alright, there you go. Let's go ahead and turn base.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23.
So see how I'll put my hand right here to keep you from using right aileron to flatten this curve bank out. Alright.
Monroe traffic, anyway.
Clear final right. Alright,
Still down,
level.
runway 23, gonna extend for spacing, 66 Lima.
Alright, flaps.
1000, 1000.
Alright. There we go. We'll check final one
Monroe
more
traffic
time.
072, JR is left downwind, runway 23, has traffic in the pattern sight, Monroe.
Let's go ahead and turn final, gradual turn. We're a little bit out, so we don't need to make a 45-degree bank turn, okay? Look outside the window.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is final, runway 23.
Right, we're turning. Go. You're using a little bit too much left rudder. Alright, and we level right rudder. Alright. So you shouldn't. Here, a little bit of right rudder to straighten the plane up. Right rudder. There you go. Add a little power. Getting a little slow here. We're about to keep the wings level, okay? Alright. Add a little power. I want to still be coming out in the 2-3. Get ready to pull it back a little bit. Alright. Bring the power back a little bit more. Coming down. Alright, there we go. Go bring the power all the way back.
Final runway 23 now.
Start pulling the nose up gradually. Pull it up. Fly down the runway. Look down the end of the runway. Alright. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Alright, you didn't pull back enough. I got the flaps up, carpet off. Alright, and let's go. Monroe traffic, Scout 2866 Lima, touch and go, runway 23, stay in the pattern, Monroe. Alright, 52, rotate slowly, right there, hold it, right rudder. Alright, see how it just levitates off the ground. That's much more pleasant than trying to, alright, left aileron, alright, right rudder, okay? Look out there off the nose or find you a cloud or something. Alright, looking outside the window. If you're looking outside, you can kind of detect if the airplane is banking. See how you can see the airplane bank to the right there. If you're not hyper focused on one thing.
72, Juliet Romeo is wide left base for 23, this will be a full stop, Monroe.
Alright. We had traffic out there, but they're departing, I think. All right, so we could go ahead and turn Crosswind.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left crosswind 23. Monroe.
Ease off the right rudder just a little bit, okay? There we go. This is nice, very good. All right. Right about here, probably. Go ahead, wings level, right rudder, right aileron. All right, look out there at the runway. See how we're nice and perpendicular?
Yeah, that's much better.
All right, we're looking out here for traffic on downwind, maybe.
Traffic 808, 1 Lima's clear, runway 23 down
And
4,
go ahead and turn.
runway 23 for departure, Monroe.
Left downwind. That's a
Monroe
good thing
traffic,
right there.
Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left downwind, runway 23. Monroe.
This is looking really good, okay? Keep this up. We're right there at traffic pattern altitude, so you can go ahead and push down on, not too much, just a little bit,
That
okay?
was that too much?
I mean, you were fixing to, but I stopped you. All right, push a little bit more, because now that your wing's level, it'll want to climb. There's our airspeed, so go ahead and get your power back. Don't worry about the trim, just get your power back. 22, 23, you hear a change.
Tower.
All right, that's good. Keep pushing.
Lima is currently 5 miles out.
All right.
Silas 23.
And trim it. That's good. Just wait and see what it does. Go ahead and do your checklist.
Seat belts, fuel's on both. Mixture is rich. Wait on the carb heat, landing lights are on.
And looking out for traffic, okay? So looking
for traffic.
to the right. All right. Look out there on your left wing and your right wing and make sure that your wings are level. All right, see how you keep favoring, wanting to turn to the right. All right, watch your altitude, we're climbing a little bit. All right, there you go, good correction, okay? You didn't cram it nose down, all right? Just to bring it back up just a little bit because we're starting to go down pretty good, all right? Go ahead and get your carb heat, wings level.
Traffic's here, 72.
A little bit of left aileron.
2, 3 at Alpha 3, taxi back to 6.
All right, there you go. Go ahead and get your power.
Traffic, 20997, taking off, runway 23, departure
coming with the power.
downwind to the north.
There you go. Reach over to the flap handle.
1-1000, 2-1000.
All right, there you go. All right. Let it come down when it gets to 70. All right. Back pressure a little bit so it doesn't speed up. See how it's wanting to speed up? There you go. All right, that's good probably. All right. Go a little bit further and then we'll go ahead and turn left base. Go ahead and turn left base.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23, Monroe.
Back pressure a little bit. All right, and clear final right. Level. There you go, watch your airspeed's looking good. Go ahead and get you some more flaps. Quit trying to turn to the right.
2-1000.
I think you're holding the button maybe. Okay, no.
Nope.
All right, so hold on. Let's go ahead, we'll turn final.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is final, runway 23, Monroe.
All right, start easing out. Just hold on right there, hold it. Go, right rudder, right aileron. There you go, perfect.
And Sumter Tower.
1-1000, 2-1000.
5 mile final, practice ILS, we execute public mission.
All right. Wings level. All right. Add some power, we're sinking. Add some more.
Monroe traffic, 997, turning left crosswind, 23 Monroe.
The power back, we've got some rise right here. You feel that float?
We did, yep.
All right, so then we use the power back. All right, wing level. All right, keep it coming down, bring the power back. Start easing the nose up. Right a little bit more.
Monroe traffic, 20997, turning left downwind, 23
You
Monroe.
got the power all the way out. More.
Yep.
All right. All right. So once you get down there in that ground effect, you can go ahead and get your carpet off. All right, let's go. Maintain center line. All right, let's go. And when you want to do powers, go ahead and push it in smoothly, okay? But don't cram it all. All right. There, ease the nose up just a bit. Right there, hold it. All right. There you go. Because then we'll accelerate while we climb. All right. Monroe traffic, Scout 2866 Lima, touch and go, runway 23, stay in the pattern, Monroe. All right, so that was pretty good. And when you get down there in ground effect, you gotta make sure you get your power back, all right? And
Monroe traffic, Scout
pitch up a little bit so we
20997,
get
to the left
70.
Left downwind departure to the north, Monroe.
The left aileron.
Monroe traffic, 808, 1 Lima, departing runway 23 for another trip around the pattern, Monroe.
Good job, good job. All right, wings level, there you go, good job. All right. The left aileron, a little bit of right rudder. All right, there we go. You should be able to just pretty much hold it in one position, okay? All right, so if it's too much, then just ease it back off a little bit. All right, right there. All right. Shouldn't have to be, or the wind's not that gusty or turbulent. We shouldn't have to be fluctuating so much. EGTs are still looking good. They're all 400. There you go, good job. Smoothly lowering the nose. Bring your power back once we get to 100.
Traffic 881 Lima, left side, runway 23, Monroe.
All right. There you go, looking very nice, good job. All right, checking for traffic. I don't see any traffic out there. All right, watch your altitude. We're losing a little altitude. You got to trim nose down a little bit too much, probably. There you go, that's good.
Seat belts, fuel's on both, mixture's rich. Wait on the carb heat, landing lights are on.
All right, get your carb heat. All right, looking out the front. All right. Don't turn to the right. All right. Flaps.
1000, 1000.
All right, don't let it balloon.
Skydiving in 4 minutes.
Left aileron a little bit. We don't want to turn to the right. All right, there's 69, so let it start coming down. All right, trim it nose up a little bit. Nope, that's the wrong way. All right, go ahead and make your turn.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23. Monroe.
All right, and we can look out there while we're making our turn. Looking for traffic on final. Keep turning. All right, you came a little bit too far out here, so we're going to end up, probably need to add a little power. All right, keep turning. Turning. All right, using weight, you rolling out, you're still keeping rudder in, and all right, go ahead and get your flaps.
1000, 1000.
All right, lower the nose, we're getting slow, turn.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is final, runway 23, Monroe.
All right. Whenever you go to put, so you're keeping the left rudder in and then you're flipping over.
Traffic 881 Lima, left base, runway 23, Monroe.
On 1000, 1000.
That's why it feels like we're in a swash bucket or something like that when we make a turn. I see you do the ailerons and then I feel you let off the rudder, left rudder once the wings are about level. All right, so they're connected. Rudder and ailerons are connected when you're using them, okay? You're the connection between them. All right, add a little power, got that sync going on right here, but remember we're gonna have a little bit of a thermal or something right here. Now it's going up. All right. Keep it coming down, power back to idle. We're fast a little bit. Keep it coming down. All right. Start pulling the nose up gradually. More. Left aileron. You feel it going to the right. Lower the nose. Add power. All right, carb heat off. All right, smoothly apply power. Let's go. I just mean don't like smack it like it's a whack-a-mole or something like that, but push it in smoothly and quickly so we can take off. All right, there you go. Right rudder. Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is taking off runway 23, stay in the pattern, Monroe. All right, wings level. Left aileron. Left aileron. Right rudder. left a little bit, turn to the left some, a little bit of right rudder. All right, go ahead and turn crosswind.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left crosswind, runway 23, Monroe.
All right, we don't need to have that much bank. You see that green arrow right there? That shows you what a standard rate turn is. All right. Checking for traffic. I don't see any traffic, wings level. All right.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left downwind, runway 23, Monroe.
You'll be looking out for traffic over there as we're making, don't turn to the right, just, you can look over there without turning the airplane over there. Right. Looking for traffic, all right, keep coming around. All right, and level, right rudder, right aileron. The nose down.
Monroe traffic, 881 Lima, left crosswind, runway 23 now.
Go ahead and get your power back. If your airspeed is already 115, you should be holding back pressure to slow it down.
I don't want to climb.
Okay, well then bring the power back.
Below. Please do not overfly the field. Jump plane will be descending to the south street zone.
There you go, there's 100, all right. Go ahead and get your, trim it nose up. That's not nose up.
Okay, seat belts, fuel's on both, mixture's rich.
Go ahead
Carb
and
heat on, and the landing lights are on. Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23, Monroe.
All right, good job. Don't start going back with those ailerons. Keep turning. Look over there to the right. All right, final's clear. Keep turning. All right, wings level, right rudder, right aileron, flaps.
1000, 1000.
All right, watch your airspeed. Your airspeed's decreasing. You need more power. Because we need to point the nose down. All right, let's go ahead and turn final.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is final, runway 23, Monroe.
All right, start decreasing your bank a little bit. We don't need to come in there at 30 degrees of bank. All right, add a little bit of power. Level, quit going to the right. Level. So let's go on to the right here. Not because we have a crosswind, it's because you keep putting ailerons in there to the right. Right aileron, left aileron, bring the power back, keep the nose down. Power all the way back. Fly down the runway, nose up, not too much.
Monroe traffic, 881 Lima is left base, runway 23, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is touch and go, runway 23, stay in the pattern. Let's go into the car beat. Nope, power, hold the nose up. So it's carb heat, power, hold the nose up, wide arc.
1000, 1000.
Flaps, don't let it balloon. All right, 70, let the nose come down. Hold it at 70 with your hand.
Monroe-Executive, Mooney 1051 Kilo is 15 miles west inbound landing.
Go. All right. And we'll go ahead and turn base.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, 23, Monroe.
All right, don't dip the nose so much. Keep turning. Don't go back opposite ailerons. All right. If anything, you just come back to neutral. All right.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 90 Victor is turning
Right rudder, right aileron.
downwind,
Left rudder, left
23.
aileron.
Monroe.
There you go. All right. Checking final right. All right. Let's go and get some more flaps.
On 1000, 1000.
So whenever you roll, whether you're going left or right, in or out of a turn, you use rudder and aileron together. Okay. All right. Add a little power. Let's go ahead and turn final. Gradually.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is final runway 23, Monroe.
All right, so a little bit more power because our airspeed, well, just that's fine right there. Keep turning, bring the power back some. All right, wings level. Flaps.
On 1000, 1000.
Bring your power back.
Traffic, Mini 51 Kilo, we're about 3 minutes west, we'll cross midfield, 2300, enter direct downwind, 23,
Down. Too high, you're too high.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 90 Victor is turning base, runway 23, Monroe.
Apply power.
Monroe traffic, Cessna 89 Mike is 5 minutes east of the field to be joining the final runway 23, full stop, Monroe.
Right there. Your right rudder. There you go, left aileron.
Into the southeast. Go. Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 90 Victor, turning base, runway 23, Monroe.
On 1000, 1000.
Monroe traffic, Mooney's left downwind, we're going to sidestep, got a
Go ahead and get all
Cessna in front of us.
Mooney 808, when Lima's a Cessna in front of you, I'm actually going to be departing to the north straight out of the downwind here.
Roger that.
89 Mike is clear of the runway, Monroe.
We're going to go around.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 90 Victor, turning final, runway 23, full stop, Shelby.
Monroe traffic, Mooney extending downwind for the Cessna on final.
Go ahead and get your flaps out.
On 1000.
All the way.
On 1000.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is going around runway 23, stay in the pattern, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left crosswind, runway 23, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 90 Victor is clear of runway 23, taxi back to runway 23, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Mooney short final 23.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left downwind, runway 23. Monroe. Seatbelts, fuel's on both, mixture is rich. Wait on the carb heat, landing lights are on. Back to where it should be.
Monroe, Mooney's clear back to.
Power back. Pull it up. One 1000, two 1000. Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23, Monroe. Hold 1000, two 1000.
Monroe, Unicom 8355 Sierra radio check.
Sonic.
Thank you, John.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima, final runway 23, Monroe.
Mike, over the water tower, 45 for runway, downwind for runway 23, Monroe.
Monroe, Unicom 78144 radio check.
Sonic.
Thank you.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is clear runway 23 at Alpha 3, taxiing back to runway 23, Monroe. Alright, bring the power back. Don't need to taxi with brakes. So the reason that I took it was because you were about 150 feet above the top of the trees and added more flaps and get ready to turn final at about, I don't know, 60 miles an hour, well, 59 knots.
Taxi for parking to run up.
And the speed going down. And so that's a perfect situation for a stall, spin, drill a hole in the ground situation. So did you feel like we were low?
Oh yeah, I knew we were low.
Okay, so what do we do for controller altitude?
I thought I was putting power in.
Okay,
I guess maybe I didn't put enough.
And we don't need to add flaps to create more drag when we're already low.
So low, no flaps then, or not until you get back to where.
Well, I would suggest just go ahead and add power and go around.
Don't show your age.
So, add power, climb straight ahead, whatever your heading is. Get out of it. Remember when we did turning stalls? All right, that's what we're practicing for, is that situation right there, because in that situation, if you were to have a turning stall, you'd have no chance. Because you got to where you were like 150 feet or 200 feet or something like that above the top of the trees. Go ahead and start slowing down.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 900 Victor is turning crosswind, runway 230, Monroe.
And so what got you in that situation is you're behind the airplane. So you're already letting the airplane descend before you even get the power out. then you're getting the power out and focusing on getting the power to the right RPMs instead of, you know, looking outside the airplane and just pulling the power back. And so you were getting flaps when we were at about 1,500 feet, and then turning base at about 1,300 feet, and then our power was about 1,000 RPMs, which was why we were descending so quickly and going slow. And so then that's what got us into the situation of being, you know, around probably 900 feet when you were getting ready to turn base and getting slower. And at that point, you recognize that you're getting low, but you're not doing the right thing by adding power, enough power. And so you add power until you no longer feel like you're continuing to get lower, okay? So, and if you can't detect that by looking outside the airplane, you know, everything's getting bigger, okay? You can look at your altimeter. If your altimeter is still going down and your airspeed is low, you need to add a bunch of power,
Monroe traffic,
okay?
Mike, clear, 23
And
Monroe.
start climbing out, all right? But, and then, you know, the whole thing, like where I've been telling you to stop using the inside rudder and then trying to steer, you're using opposite, you're getting the bank started, and then you should just come back to neutral ailerons. But you're doing like this, and you're pushing rudder to try and continue the turn. But you're doing this because I guess you want to decrease the bank for some reason or whatever. You want to see the runway or something. But you turn, you use your ailerons and your rudder together. All right, turns established. All right, neutral pretty much. We're just looking outside the airplane until we start seeing our reference that we looked for before we started the turn, okay? And then once we start seeing that out the window, you know, we might be 25, 30 degrees, 45 degrees or whatever from being lined up. Then we can see it. We don't need to be looking outside the window. We don't need to be trying to shallow our bank out so we can see it. It's still there. It hasn't gone anywhere, okay? Start the turn and then maintain the bank, okay? Check your airspeed briefly. Look outside the airplane because you should be looking for traffic. You know, final is where there's a lot of accidents. Just like that one day where we were looking outside the airplane and we saw that airplane on final.
Skyline 835 Sierra, taxiing hangar 5 to runway 23.
Keeping a check on where you're at, where you should be at, okay? So 1,700 on downwind, when we get, you know, about the 1,000-foot markers, we get our carb heat, we pull the power back, and we look outside the airplane while we do it, because if we see the nose go like this, then we know we're going down. We don't need to look at the altimeter, okay? Just bring it back until you hear it decrease. Glance at your airspeed indicator. It's in the white arc, get you some flaps. Wait for 70, trim it. Then you can adjust the power again, right, before you turn base, checking to make sure your power is set where it should be, and then turn base. So ailerons, rudder, establish the turn, maintain the turn, don't go, keep the rudder in, and use opposite ailerons and make a flat turn, uncoordinated turn, okay?
And when you come back neutralize the ailerons, you neutralize the rudder too, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, both of them together, all right? And then whenever you want to roll out, then you use right aileron and right rudder, and then when your wing's level, you go like this, okay? All right.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left downwind, runway 23, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 7, Mike, departing runway 23 for left coast pattern. Monroe.
Seat belt, fuel's on both, mixture is rich, wait on the carb heat, landing lights on.
ahead and get our car, Pete. Get your power back. Nose up. Don't turn to the right.
And Monroe traffic.
1000, 1000.
Skyline 8355 Sierra departing the pattern to the west. Monroe traffic, last call.
Lower the nose. We're already below our speed. So you don't hold the, you don't keep hold back until
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 900 Victor is departing runway 23, Monroe.
you get to that airspeed to get your flaps. You go ahead, get the power back. Let's go ahead and turn base.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23, Monroe.
So your power's a little bit, keep turning. No, we got to keep, we need to turn. Okay, right here is neutral, right? See how we're still turning. If the wings are going back level, then that's not neutralizing the controls.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is left base, runway 23, Monroe. 1000, 1000.
Right, airspeed's getting low. So lower the nose.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is final, runway 23, Monroe.
We're gonna make this one a full stop, okay?
1000, 1000.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 7, Mike, turning left.
So we're right at center line.
For runway 23.
So we need to get
Monroe.
the left aileron. Go ahead and get your power back because we're power back.
Power's at idle.
Alright. Left rudder, left aileron. Right rudder, left aileron. Bring the nose up slowly. A little bit more. A little bit left aileron. Left aileron.
Monroe traffic,
Pull back.
Skyhawk 7, Mike, turning left
Right,
downwind
all the way.
for runway 23.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 900 Victor is turning crosswind, runway 23, Monroe.
Stay on center line. That was a decent landing. Alright. Alright, go ahead and get off here at Alpha 3.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 900 Victor turning downwind, runway 23, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 2866 Lima is clear of 23 at Alpha 3, taxiing to the tie down, Monroe. We'll go across this way right now, right?
Yep, left to right.